Hey everyone, I'm Dr. Avinash. The reason for me to make this video is to update you on the dental treatment and the COVID-19 infection. So as you all know, there is a second wave which has started and it is very rapidly increasing. The cases are increasing and the infection is spreading very rapidly. But unlike last time, we dentists have clarity on how to go about with the dental treatment. So we are updated with the latest sanitizing techniques and how to manage the patients in this pandemic. So however, I would like to stress on few points over here as patients what you need to take care of. First thing is try to avoid crowding even in the dental clinic, and it would be better if you take appointment and reach on time of your appointment. If there is some crowd inside the clinic in the waiting area, prefer to stay outside and then enter the clinic only when no one is over there. Okay. And also your dentist would have taken care to sanitize the chair and the room in between, so make sure that is done. You can clarify with your dentist how they are taking care of the sanitizing procedure. Also, if the treatment is really required, if it is emergency, only then you would I would like to say that you should go and take the treatment. If it can be postponed for few days or few weeks, better you postpone that treatment and take it later when the wave comes down or when the situation is under control. Having said that, your dentist would have taken care of all the precautions to make sure that it doesn't spread from one person to another person. One more point you need to take care is wear a proper mask when you go to the clinic. Just a simple cloth mask would not be sufficient. Wear a good mask, 3-ply mask, or N95 would be even better if you can purchase N95 mask. That would in fact prevent the infection spreading from you to others, including us. You will be helping us a lot by wearing a good mask. And also, not only that, it is safe for even you to. It would also prevent from you catching the infection. So kindly be safe, wear a proper mask, maintain social distance, and sanitize your hand. We'll be posting more videos on the current situation and dentistry, and also we'll be posting many other videos about dentistry. So kindly subscribe to our channel if you like this, and kindly like this video. So once again, this is Dr. Avinash from Dental Plan.